Tomatoes are picky. If you've tried growing them, you know, they'll throw a fit at bad soil, wilt if it gets too cold, and sulk if you drown them with fertilizer. The modern advice? Buy expensive fertilizer, plastic greenhouses, complicated watering gadgets. And still sometimes, you end up with sad, bland tomatoes. But here's the twist. Decades ago, Soviet gardeners mastered a different approach. They grew big, juicy tomatoes in some of the toughest soils on Earth, with no high-tech tools or chemicals. Today, I'm digging up these forgotten Soviet secrets and how they can give your home garden an edge. Let's talk about why most tomato growers hit a wall. Straggly roots, uneven fruit, and plants that just can't fight off diseases. Sound familiar? The problem is, a lot of us ignore what's happening under the surface. Pushing plants with synthetic nutrients might work for a while, but it never builds that underground network tomatoes really need. Soviet gardeners had it figured out. Their method was all about soil health, not quick fixes. They built up layers of compost, leaves, and straw right into their garden beds. Think of this as a nutrient lasagna. Each layer adds warmth, air, and slow-release food for your plants. Next, they focused on root insulation. Mulch wasn't just for looks. They'd cover the soil thickly, keeping roots cozy against cold snaps or sudden temperature swings. That meant tomatoes could keep growing, even when the weather turned weird. And fertilizer? They barely used any. Instead, the magic happened through organic matter and microbes breaking it down, little by little. That's what made their plants so resilient, with deep roots and steady fruiting, even in tough seasons. So how do you use this in your own garden? Start with a raised bed, layer in compost, leaf litter, and straw. Plant your tomatoes early and mulch them heavily to lock in warmth. I like to pour on a bit of fermented plant juice or compost tea to wake up the beneficial microbes. And here's a big one. Skip the daily watering. Cold, soggy soil is the #1 way to rot your roots. Stick to this, and you'll see the difference. Your plants will build deep roots, crank out consistent fruit, and shrug off stress, all without chemicals or gimmicks. Over time, your soil just gets richer. Payback for seasons to come. It's simple, it works, and it's a method that stood the test of time. Sometimes, the best tricks are the ones our grandparents already figured out. If you got something out of this, give it a like, share it with a fellow gardener, and subscribe to Dirt Decoded. I'm here to show you that soil science isn't just for textbooks, it's the key to a thriving garden, right in your own backyard.